Today we will show you how to remove and replace the water inlet valve on this GE French door refrigerator.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
A defective water inlet valve will cause the unit not to dispense water or not make ice. First, we must access the rear of the unit.
Stop. Be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
To remove the cover, remove all the screws that hold it in place. And then pull up and disengage and set it aside. To remove the water valve, disconnect your water inlet line. Unscrew the screw that holds your valve on and disengage the locking tab onto the frame of the refrigerator, and then unroute all of your water lines. At this point, you can pull the whole valve out. There is one Molex connector for your back two solenoids, well actually for all your solenoids. And then each water line has a plastic clip. And each plastic retainer you have to push in and pull out on the water line at the same time. And with that, we can set the valve off to the side. To install your water valve, start by hooking up your water lines. Simply press them in place. Most of the lines have a black line showing how far that the valve needs, or the hose needs to be installed. Then take your plastic safety clips, clip them back into place. Hook up the electrical connection for your solenoids. Now you can route your water lines in with the valve. Put the tab into the frame of the refrigerator. Screw in your screw that holds the valve in place. And now you can install your water line. And now we can install the cover. To install the cover, line the tabs up with the bottom of the refrigerator. Slide it into place. And then install your 5/16 screws on the sides. There's 1 5/16 on the top right, and then a 1/4 inch on the top left. And that completes the repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.